before working with Clint, not only did I have no website, I had no idea about even how to start my business. I had this idea that I wanted to coach people, be a health coach with folks, but I didn't really know how to market myself. I didn't really know what my niche was. I didn't know what kind of my business archetype was going to be. And Clint just did an amazing job. He gave me great forms to fill out so that I could brainstorm. And then once I had figured out what I was looking for with my business, he designed a beautiful website. So in the past, I tried to use WordPress, which was a total disaster. I got excited when I signed up, and I did like a 3-year program. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna just be so successful. I'm gonna have it for 3 years, and I literally didn't even launch my website. Before I worked with Clint, there was just no website. I had myself wanting to market to the world and no space online to show for it. So working with Clint was just a really beautiful experience. He was so attentive. He's a great listener. And I felt like Clint, he just really is able to listen and understand who you are as a person, and find a way to project your inner being onto a website form. So I really felt like he was able to just see me and what I was going for, and design a website that reflected that. My website always gets compliments anytime I show. I'm really just proud to show my website. Like whenever anyone asks, like, oh, can I see your website? I'm like, yes, please look. And anytime anyone looks at my website, they're like, wow, it's so beautiful. It's amazing. I would definitely 1,000% recommend to work with Clint, because it's just been such a beautiful experience. I loved just independent from the final result, which is absolutely gorgeous and I love, just the whole process has been really pleasurable. He's just a fun, kind soul, and I really looked forward to our meetings each week, just talking and getting to know one another, because for Clint, it's really important to get to know you as a person so that he can reflect that on your website. So I just highly recommend working with Clint. It's been a beautiful experience, and I recommend it to everyone.